Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have barbecue prepared by my sister.
Big up yourself. You already know the name. I don't want to say too much.
Okay.
Tell them what you got.
So, right now we have some cornbread. We have some candied yams, some corn. We have some pork ribs.
You heard her? She said she got some pork ribs.
Okay, I have some pork ribs.
Okay. Good.
Some white rice.
Good.
Richie has the same exact thing, except his is beef. My sister made a special just for him.
Big up yourself, big chef. Thank you for catering this meal. Thank you very much.
So, today is somebody's birthday.
Birthday.
Happy birthday, Sharon Johnson. Hope you have a great day.
Blessed day. Happy birthday to you. Sharon Johnson in the building, aka Greedy Family. All right.
I'm hungry.
Let me tell you something. Make sure you pay attention to this video because I don't want you to say, "Oh, I knew Richie eat pork a long time." Not your family members, the one them over there that's watching that commenting. But listen, let me show you. See, this is beef.
Mine is pork.
And first lady, this is pork. See that? See the bone? You see the bone big? All right, my first lady, show them your bone.
Right in my belly. You guys know this is pork. Porkity pork.
And that cornbread is soft as hell.
Look at that, look at the meat. Look at that.
Yo, make sure you not drop over my side. Look right now. That
You
pork
say you want some?
that pork look right now. I ain't gonna cap.
Okay. Let me get a piece that I didn't bite.
Yeah, please.
Look at that.
Family. First day that I own today, I can't even now. First day of food today.
You got some of my rice?
I want any rice. I just put back by the man you. I want any rice. See that? It's all good though. What kind of nuts in the candy yam?
Nuts in there? I don't know.
No. Oh, I think pecan.
Oh.
Yeah. Pecan in here.
Pecan nuts is in there?
What it don't taste like?
I didn't taste it.
Family, I love beef ribs.
Because he never had pork yet, that's why. Oh my God. My pork is better than yours, I'm sorry. No, my pork is better than yours.
Pork versus. Yeah. Mine better. Family.
Ask a question. Be honest.
Be honest now, family. Whose look better, my beef ribs or first lady pork ribs? Look at this cornbread though, family.
But
No cap. Look at this. Look at that. Soft till it's all dropping.
which one do you prefer? Beef ribs or pork ribs? I want that baby back. Really, baby back. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm sorry. Family, let me hear something. I've been like this my whole life. If I hear a word and it reminds me of a song, I sing it.
Wow.
I don't know.
Wow.
That's just me.
It's that cold juice out of that straw for me. How was your weekend, family? Okay. Mask is not that mandatory over here no more. What about y'all? Is Is a mask still mandatory where you at? Let me know. No? I'm saying. Still rock your mind, bro. Yeah. Boy, nice, man. That's what up all the boys, man.
I hear nothing you were saying. I'm not gonna hold you up.
Family.
That was freaking good. It was so soft and tender. Your beef one soft and tender too?
Nice.
So the chef make it tonight?
Nah, come on, boy. That boy knock you out.
You can manage that?
What? I got you a cabinet though. Alright, man, I'll get you though. Come on now. Really? Family. Out of the board.
This is delicious.
Good job, chef. I appreciate that.
That sounds good.
Wow. No cap. I gave you a piece of the ribs already? I just showed you. Oh. Okay, good. I gave you a piece already. What I gave them already?
I don't know what you want to get them in there, but I gave them some rib.
You got some ribs already?
I sure did.
Grab it.
Can't say I'm gonna feed them.
Look at that stick. I don't want to put it too. I don't want to put it too close to y'all. You go grab it. Grab first, ladies. You got pork.
Can't grab mine. This is good. Now usually, no nothing, honey. Thank you. Usually, I love macaroni and cheese. And my candy yams. But with the rice, it's good. It's my first time having it with rice.
Yep. I have to eat rice, you know.
It's good. Wow.
We can't cook, so the sister-in-law got to hold it down at her crib. Can't cook. We can't wait till it's done. Oh my God.
I know.
Can't use our kitchen. Don't worry.
She hooked us up though.
She hook it up. She hook it up though. She hook it up real good.
All of your food gone down this side. The family them not see your food, man.
They could see my food, yeah. Stop telling them my food gone on somebody. They complain they could see.
Where you push your food all the way over the front for it? They want them grab it?
I want to move it from your pork.
Oh please. You wish you could get on my pork.
I don't want that.
Yeah, you do.
Beef fruit, son.
All right.
I'm teasing y'all.
Now I look back.
Don't do that. Don't do that for a second. What's your mind for it? Don't do that.
It's so extra.
She almost know. She almost catch me slipping. Yo, let's try your bud. In the building. Yeah. Black people juice. You like this flavor? That pork is good, so you going in though.
It is so
I know some people gonna say they like the beef ribs. I know that. Y'all don't let me down. Come on now. You do not let me down. Cause I know you're gonna say, sorry Richie, sorry Pastor Richie, pork is to go, pork ribs is to go. Don't let me down, y'all. Please don't.
So you're telling them to lie?
They're not gonna lie. But so many probably don't eat pork, beef ribs.
Yeah, that's true.
But if you never ate beef ribs, try it. Let me know.
That is true.
I love it. I can make some good beef rib too. I'm gonna make that.
You ever made that before?
I made the barbecue beef ribs before. And you say you didn't like it because it's too chewy. Remember last time you got the beef pasta, you gave me some beef ribs and I put it in the oven, I barbecue and everything. And you say you don't like beef ribs because it's too chewy.
Well, I don't like beef ribs. I don't remember you making it.
Yeah, I made a barbecue beef rib.
How long ago was that?
A minute ago, but I made a barbecue.
Yeah.
How do you think I know about it? Because I actually
I'm old, okay?
Yeah, old timers, yo.
I know I made you I made you beef ribs a couple of times.
I made it before in the oven.
Right?
Yeah. Should have remembered.
I don't know. I'm not gonna lie.
I made it though.
I'm in heaven.
Beef is better. Joyce Mac, I know you're on my side because you don't eat pork. Look at these bones, yo. I'll lick you with this your fart. Yo, if I eat pork, son, I'd have been done, bro.
Like I told you guys, my mother's here, right? And it was at my sister's house. Like we told you guys, our kitchen is not. We got some stuff going on. My mother said, the day we should eat pork, God help us all. Ain't gonna be no food. And trust me.
No. I'm gonna eat it.
I don't want you to. I'm telling you not to eat it.
I'm gonna eat it. Later down.
It's not that good.
Later on down in the line, family, I'm gonna tear it up.
Pork ribs is not that good. Or pork is not that good. It's overrated.
Can't trick me.
Don't eat it.
Yo, this is soft enough. Screen for you. That's what you don't like. I chewed up enough.
I know.
That's the part about it. The skin. Where are you going?
Not even that. The pork is just tender. But my sister makes it. Really, Sasha?
You for the bombing?
My sister makes it where it's soft, but I still can't eat beef ribs.
Just this part right here.
Not a fan.
Right there. My family, I chewed up.
Kind of sweet man.
You want mine? That's why you said it.
Yep. Sasha, stop holding all this, please.
We're doing a video. Stop it. Cop blocker.
You want rice?
Really?
Oh. My bad.
You can have all the rice you want today. Have all your family. You can have all the rice you want today. She tried to trick me. I was about to take it to her. I almost forgot. And y'all didn't tell me. You know what I'm saying? You see that? I almost forgot. I was about to go. I should know.
Pork.
Yes.
Covered in pork.
This was good. Oh. Damn, family. Yeah. She can't get none today. She gotta go brush her teeth.
Yeah, right.
Family, she can't drink none of this today. Family, 2 times in a row, y'all did that to me. Come on now. Y'all tripping, bro.
You know why? Because
See,
you're so used to eating my food, that's why.
I'm so used to eating her food. You see that? You see that, family? You see? You see? I'm used to eating her food. So I'm about to go take, and I couldn't take none. And I'm about to give her my drink, and I'm a good up straw. My almost catch me. Damn, yo. Twice in a row, yeah? And if I'm catching the family, you know she just suck off some?
Yep. Slow boy. Oh, please. That was delicious.
Really good.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Let me tell you something. Oh, shit. Nice.
Wow.
My snack.
Eat my good up cornbread.
I gave myself too much food.
Huh.
You said salted cornbread is?
So it's breaking apart.
Oh, you tried a piece already.
Get a piece of here. You're big. Mine was too small.
When I eat cornbread like this, it reminds me of
Sweet, yo.
It reminds me of middle school. I don't know why.
Cornbread, them.
You had cornbread in school? No?
I used to hide and take the school lunch.
I ain't asked you all that. I said we had cornbread in school.
I used to family. I told you already. I used to hide and take the school lunch because I want a girl them see me. It was hard. I told you that story already.
Yeah. And we know you greedy, so you couldn't go all day and not eat.
That's the only thing I don't like with it. Family.
Excuse me.
I need to chew this up enough, but I'm gonna do it off camera. So you're here watching. No, nice, you know. Nice. I told you I chewed it up. Everything online.
My sister gave me 4 ribs for myself.
You get enough.
And I said, that's gonna be enough? And she was like, it's 4. I could have taken 2. And still, you still my eye big?
Oh, your belly look. I big but small belly. All right, family. I'm gonna give you a beautiful people the word of wisdom.
Nothing.
This was delicious, Charlotte. Appreciate you for catering for me, and thank you for making my own ribs. Appreciate you, okay? You look me in the name.
You wanna give me a kiss?
No, after you brush your teeth. Family,
Yeah, right.
listen up. First lady. Listen up. Okay, family. Don't wait until you reach your goal to be proud of yourself. Be proud of each step you take toward reaching that goal.
That's a
okay,
good
family?
one.
You like that one?
Yeah. That's a good one.
Like it?
Yeah, I love it, Mom.
Family, if you can relate, relate. You know what I'm saying? Trust me. You know what I'm saying?
Because a lot of people are waiting for the, what am I going to get there? What am I going to get there?
Yes.
And they're not enjoying the getting there.
The steps to get there. Exactly, First Lady.
I'll give a kiss for that.
No. In the video, man, I give more than kiss.
That, yeah, we have fun.
More than kiss. Family, we appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. You know that. This is the Greedy Couple, where we talk about anything. We don't care. We just talk. You know what I'm saying? And we like when y'all join in.
That's right, in the conversation.
Join in the conversation. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid. Join in the conversation. So, I am Richie, aka Chatty Pastor sometime, aka First Lady, aka Shanice, and they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Happy birthday again, Miss Sharon Johnson.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy.